morning, Assalamualaikum, and 9:21 Sunday, November 7th, 2021. I'm entering UKM, Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia, the National University of Malaysia. I'm going to give you a little tour today. I'm going to my office. Actually, yesterday I came Saturday, working on Saturday, and again today Sunday, working on Sunday. I came to record my lecture, but didn't work out. So coming back on Sunday, supposed to be home. This is the Chancellery building, where the top official, like the Vice Chancellor, the officer, Deputy Vice Chancellor and so on, officers are here. On my right will be the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities. And coming up is Pusanika. Pusanika comes from the word combination of two words. That's the signboard of Pusanika, is student center. Yeah. I think you can see it. Pusa means pusat, center. Nika from Anika, variety of things or activities inside. So this is Pusanika. I'm gonna just go drive only. Yeah, Pusanika. It's empty, even though it's Sunday. I mean, even during the weekdays, because of the many students are home because of the pandemic. Only those students who need to use labs will be or are here. So next, on my right will be the library. Yesterday's video I talked about the steps, many steps to go inside the library. Actually, the design of a library should be enticing for people to come anytime, to stop by from, for example, you just came from Pusanika after your lunch. You stop at the library here for you to read news, newspaper, magazine. But this is not enticing, not inviting. I mean, not inviting people just to come in and hop into the library. Best universities in the world, like Harvard University, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, in the US. I've been there. Both libraries, they just few feet from the ground. I mean, it's just easy to go into the library. Not climbing, and yet we can enter the library from four sides. Of course, there's a check in and check out with one door, but you can enter from all the sides. That's how they design libraries, to be really inviting people to come in. That's how learning, that's how they produce a lot. I mean, of course, nowadays everything is online. Now I'm here at the Faculty of Economics. I'm gonna make one round here so that I can show the facade, the front of the library. Faculty of Economics. There, coming up. Yes. Oh, cannot really see it, so I have to. Yeah, that's Faculty of Economics and Management, UKM. I'm gonna go in, and this is weekend, so I can park anywhere. That's the faculty. I mean, there's some students who are never been able to see, or maybe that's too extreme, to never been able to see or to be on campus, and you end up studying and graduating without really actually in the classroom, because everything now is online. I don't consider that, that extreme situation, but that can happen. This pandemic, we don't know how long it's gonna be, but we are now in the, what do you call this, endemic phase, which is living with the COVID-19 as part of our life. So hopefully, yes, okay, this is how academic life is. We work 27 hours a day except sleep. 24/7, okay. But we like what we do, and different. Other people, they work very hard, they get the reward. Like businessmen, they work very hard, they get the reward right away. But for us, it's not the reward that we're looking for. It is what we want to do for the country, for the nation, and for ourselves. When we pass away, we have something that we leave for the mankind to benefit from. So that's what we do, and Alhamdulillah. Thank you for watching.